Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is koinonia. Dear friends, Irene Humin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco. Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is koinonia. The word koinonia, which is Greek, signifies deep fellowship, sharing, and communion, often used in the New Testament to describe the unity of believers in Christ. It goes beyond mere association and implies active participation in a shared life, whether in faith, suffering, or generosity. Yung nagkakaisa ba, no? At yung pagkakaisa na yon ay isang buhay na sama-sama kayo. In Christian life, koinonia calls us to build genuine relationships. Hindi lang sa salita, pero sa pag-ibig, pagmamahal, no? Suporta sa isa't isa. Tapos yung pananampalatayang nagkakaisa. Whether in the church or society, fostering koinonia means practicing generosity, listening, and walking together in unity. Sa ating mga Pilipino, hindi mahirap yan kasi nagdadamayan tayo, merong pagmamalasakit, kaya tayo nagkakaisa. And so we ask ourselves, are we ready for koinonia? To be in communion with our brothers and sisters? That's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto niyong maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.